How to add and use multiple X or Twitter accounts on mobile. So if you want to add and use multiple X or Twitter accounts on your mobile, then what you need to do is you can simply open up your Play Store or your App Store. Once you open it up, go with the search, and under search you need to search for Twitter or X. Once you've searched, if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, you can tap on open and open the application. Once you've logged into your first account, then you just need to simply go with the profile, which is on the upper left. Once you're under profile, now you'll have a lot of options right here. So the one we need is on the top right, which is three dots icon. Tap on the three dots, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on it, here you will have an option of create a new account or add an existing account. So if you want to add and use multiple accounts, you can simply tap on add an existing account, and you can start entering your phone number, email address, or username of your next account, and you can go with next and then enter your password and log in. And after that, you can again go with the profile, which will be on the upper left, and you can switch between the profiles. So that's how you can add and use multiple X or Twitter accounts on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.